Good afternoon, YouTube family and friends. I am about to make some fried chicken. They're thighs without the skin, without the bone. I don't know why I bought that the way I did, but I did. I also have some lovely duck fat right here. And I am going to taste that right now in front of you. Very creamy. It's kind of like just creamy, really good. Okay, so I'm about to put in the chicken thighs into this lovely cast iron, focus it here, cast iron pan right there. Okay, so bear with me while I pick up the chicken. Well, I want to get this a little hotter. This is not going to be a full video of cooking. I am just going to get it started, and then maybe I'll take a clip of it when it's finished, and I will show you all what it looks like. So right now I'm just getting this pan heated up, and can you see it? There it is, right there. All right. Okay, so hang on while I get, ooh, that's hot. Yes, I did. I put my finger in it. Yeah, my bifocals aren't working well today, I guess. All right, hold on. All right. Here is the chicken thighs right there. There's 4 of them. They're not huge. And I'm cooking them the way Butter Bob cooked his. I did not season them, and I will season them after. All right, so it's not ready yet. Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna wait until this pan heats up some more before I put it in there. So anyway, I will get back with you once these are cooking. All right, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below. Bye for now.